Welcome to our discussion on choosing the right washer. In this comparison, we will look at the benefits and drawbacks of front-load and top-load washing machines, helping you make an informed decision. Front-load washers, the efficiency powerhouses. Front-load washers are known for their exceptional cleaning performance. Their tumbling action lifts clothes and drops them through a shallow pool of water, providing superior stain removal while being gentle on fabrics. These washers are also highly water and energy efficient, using up to 50% less water than some top-load washers. Their faster spin speeds mean clothes dry faster, saving energy. Additionally, front loaders often have larger capacities, making them ideal for families or heavy laundry loads. And, with a stackable design, they are great for space saving. Drawbacks of front-load washers. Despite their many advantages, front-load washers have some drawbacks. They typically come with a higher upfront cost compared to top-load washers. The wash cycles also tend to be longer, as these machines use water-efficient tumbling action. Another potential issue is mold and mildew buildup around the rubber gasket, which requires regular maintenance. Finally, for individuals with mobility concerns, front-load washers can be inconvenient as they require bending down to load and unload clothes, although pedestals can help alleviate this. Top-load washers, convenience and affordability. Top-load washers are often favored for their budget-friendly price. They are easy to load and unload, which is particularly useful for those who have mobility issues or don't want to bend down. These washers generally have faster wash cycles, making them a convenient option for those in a rush. Many models also allow you to add clothes mid-cycle, providing flexibility. With lower upfront costs, top-load washers are an accessible option for many households. Drawbacks of top-load washers. However, top-load washers do have their downsides. Traditional top-load models with agitators can be harsh on clothes, leading to wear and tear over time. Additionally, they tend to be less energy and water efficient compared to front-load washers, which could result in higher utility bills. Top loaders are also noisier during operation and require more space, as they are generally not stackable like front-load models. Key comparisons. Let's compare the key features of both types. Front-load washers are ideal for those who prioritize energy and water efficiency, delicate fabric care, and larger capacities. They are great for large families or those with heavy laundry needs. On the other hand, top-load washers are more affordable, offer faster wash cycles, and are easier to load and unload. They are more suitable for people with smaller budgets or those looking for a quicker and more flexible washing solution. Conclusion: which washer is right for you? In conclusion, the choice between a front-load and a top-load washer depends on your priorities. If you value efficiency, fabric care, and space-saving features, and are willing to invest more upfront, a front-load washer may be the right choice. If you need a budget-friendly, faster, and more user-friendly option, a top-load washer would likely be more suitable. Consider your laundry habits, household size, and space constraints when making your decision.